Hi guys, just a quick update on the water-powered solar rocker. Most of his water has actually evaporated, so I'll give him a bit more. It's only just covering the electrodes there. Okay, well, we'll see how he gets on. I might have to replace the magnesium electrode. That's the one that gets eaten away. Well, this was supposed to be a quick update on the solar Snowman running on plain water. I say plain, there's obviously got something in it, but it's nothing that I've put in it, it's just tap water. But I was just going to clean the copper electrode and realised that the crocodile clip is virtually eaten away. That did have teeth on the end of it originally. So I'm going to move this. I've put a curve on the end of it. Oh, sunlight's come out now. So that can sit over the edge so that the crocodile clip doesn't drop into the water, because that's what's happened. It's dropped in the water and that's been eaten away. Same happens to the magnesium strip, but the magnesium gets eaten rather than the crocodile clip there. Anyway, we'll see if that still works. Might need to clean it a little bit with a file so we got a good conducting surface. He's just sort of starting up again. I've repositioned crocodile clips, as you can see, so they're out of the water. And the copper's holding itself in place okay. The magnesium strip's a bit springy, so I've got that clothes peg over the top to squash it in place. So we'll see how it gets on. I might need to clean those crocodile clips up a bit more. I just sort of rub them a little bit with some sandpaper to try and get a good conducting surface. I think he's going to go. Yeah, looks like he's back up to speed with a full glass of water, dirty water. And if you look very carefully, you can see the hydrogen bubbles coming up on the magnesium plate. So he's back up and running again. Topped up his water. And that's May the 4th, 2:30 in the afternoon. I guess we could do a little update on the milk witch at the same time. Yeah, milk looks interesting. I've no idea what's going on there. Well, I suppose it's curdling. But it looks like the fats have separated out from the water. A little bit of colour on top there. I fully expect it to go mouldy. But we've been going for a good few days now. And she's been the most successful out of the lot, really. I haven't had to touch her electrodes at all, which probably means that they're going to fail now that I've mentioned it. But it's usually the magnesium electrode that gets eaten away. But at the moment, I haven't touched it. The other ones, I had to change them fairly regularly. Certainly that one. Yeah, and that one, that's stopped at the moment. It has little fits and starts and has a little go on its own without touching it. But I really think I could retire that one, mainly because the cake itself is just falling apart. So if I do touch the electrodes, it's a problem trying to get them to make good contact with anything. So we'll probably retire that one today or tomorrow. And then the avocado stone, that was actually not moving earlier on. And yet it's picked up again now. It's not moving much, but it is moving. And then this thing that we've just started today with the lime juice, that went quite wild. There was so many bubbles coming up on the magnesium strip, it actually bubbled over, and I had to put a tray under it to catch all the drips. Oh, and of course the soil powered clock, that goes okay. I just add a bit of water every so often to stop it drying out entirely. And I suppose I could mention all the solar rockers, because it's a nice sunny day, they're all going fine. Solar towers are working. That's just heat rising, the tubes warm up, hot air rises, and that spins the wheels on the top, or propellers. That one's alright, just need a little kickstart. How about that one? Has that got enough sun on it today? Oh yeah. Right. Bit of sunshine and everything looks wonderful. Oh, and that bit of tissue paper hanging down there, at night, when there's no sun and it's cooling down in here, the warm air cools on the windows, drops. As it drops, this one spins in reverse. And I put that bit of tissue paper there just so I could see what was happening. And it gets blown out at the bottom where the cold air is falling down the window and coming out. And it makes that one spin the other way round. Oh, and Nanny's really pleased with this one. I move it so the sun's on it. Because it's noisy. Yeah, that's why she sat out there. Well, no, she sat out there because it's cooler out there in the shade. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.